What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Y'all, today I will be showing y'all how I got this bomb ass look right here, sis. Like, get into these curls, honey. Get into this body, looking real scrumptious. Like, come on now. And y'all, I achieved these curls with no wands, no barrel curl, no straightener, no nothing. This curl pattern came straight out the pack, sis, looking like this. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. The company I will be working with today is Iseehair. Here I'm working with their Princess collection. Here I'm showing you everything that came inside the bag. I did get a wig cap, a brochure, this edge control brush with a flat spatula side, a pearl hair clip. I also got these 3D lash minks that I have on right here. And I wanted to show you guys, this is the hair. I did turn the hair into a wig, but this is what I had left over. It did come with a 16-inch 6x6 closure, and then a 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, and then two 22-inch bundles. I did use almost all the hair like I said, and I just did the sewing machine method like so. Y'all, the knots bleached perfectly and everything. I just want to show you guys the inside of the cap, how transparent the lace was. Like, I love it. So we're gonna get into this install. Y'all already know you want to go ahead and clean the perimeter of your forehead with some alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and put down a stocking cap and then put some makeup on top of my stocking cap to match the color of my skin. This choice is optional. You can do this if you want to. I'm just going to take this Black Radiance contour palette, and I'll take that contour shade and I will put that on top of the cap, and then I will be going in with another foundation powder, which is a shade lighter, and putting that on top of that, which kind of balances the color out and makes everything close to my makeup shade. Once you get through with that, you want to go in and clean off the excess one more time, and then we're going to go ahead and try the wig on and make sure we like how everything is placed. Now with this wig, it can be worn glueless, because like I said, I did make it myself. I took my own measurements, transferred them onto my mannequin head, and then sewed the wig together. So I did get a snug tight fit, but of course I'm going to go in with some Got2b freeze spray to hold my wig down. Now, I did go ahead and mold and style the wig while I was on my canvas head. Y'all, I'm so in love, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I'm going to be using my little small curved scissors to cut off the excess lace. Make sure you cut off the bulky lace on the side. As you guys can see, I left that one on that side and I ended up cutting off the other side. Just make sure you cut off the thick tabs of the closure so you can have like a seamless look, like a frontal, once you install it. But yeah, like I said, I'm just cutting off the extra excess lace like so, and we're going to get ready to install, or you can wear this glueless. I will be taking my Got2b Glued freeze spray and lightly spraying a little bit of spray on the edges of my closure, just to make sure everything is laying down flat. I didn't need much around the front and top piece of the hairline, but I go over the whole hairline with the freeze spray. I'm sorry, y'all, I cannot talk tonight. Just to make sure everything is secure. You don't want your wig to be sliding back or lifting, or, you know, just any lace popping up, because, you know, we trying to look real cute, sis, and you can't look cute if your lace is lifting. So wearing glueless is fine, but if you're gonna wear glueless, make sure that thing is laid and not going anywhere. As you guys could see, it did fit snug and it did have a glueless look, but you could obviously still see the lace on the sides, which I was not a big fan of. So I decided to go in with my spray just to lay everything down. Now, Once we get that done, we're going to tie everything down, and I'm going to recurl my bang area, and then that will complete the finished look. I did take my razor comb and go back in and cut off some more hair on one side of my bang area. When I did style the hair originally on my mannequin head, the curl was tight, so they looked even on both sides. But once it fell, I obviously could tell that it was longer. So I'm just going to go back in with my curling wand, not my curling wand, I'm sorry, my straightener, and just recurl my bang area. And this is literally the only area that I applied heat to even achieve any type of curl. And if it wasn't even really a curl, it's like a little, like I said, a little wave bang. All the curls, the pattern at the bottom of the hair, I did not alter the hair at all. When I unraveled the bundles, that is what the hair looks like, and I love the way it looked naturally. So I just kept that, and then, you know, just added like 2 little swoops or 3 swoops so I could have like a little feathered bang up top, which completed the whole look, and I felt in love with it, y'all, so much. But yeah, you just want to follow these steps. Layer your hair with a razor comb, and once you get the layers that you like, you want to go ahead and do some small curls up top. Then we're going to take our elastic band off, and once you are satisfied, this is the finished look. Y'all, get into it. Like, super cute. This is giving me very natural, nice curly body vibes. Like, I feel like I had just got my hair blown out and then curled with a roller, like a fresh roller set or something. Like, it was really cute. I love it. It was so easy to install. The lace was transparent, the knots bleached perfectly, and I didn't even have to plug the hairline, y'all. Like, I should have showed the styling portion when I had molded down and styled the hair on the mannequin head, but I had totally forgot. But y'all, look at this curl pattern. Like, this is the natural curl pattern straight out of the pack. Like, this is what it looks like. Look at all that body, look at that shine, look at that luster. Iseehair, you did it, sis, you did it. Again, y'all, this is Iseehair. I wanted to show you guys, this is their 22 inch and what it does look like once stretched out, and then how it falls naturally. I did have a 16 inch 6x6 closure, and then of course, like I said, I had an 18 inch, 20 inch, and then 2 22 inch bundles. I ended up using almost all of the hair. I had like maybe a track left, and that was it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial. Bye.